Hello, everyone. Welcome back. It's been a minute. It's been a minute. Let me turn off the TV. Alexa, turn off TV. Sorry about that. I hope you guys have had a great day. It's been a couple of minutes. We've been working on some other stuff behind the scenes. That's why we decided to just pause the Thursday's call for a couple of weeks, wrap things up, and then come back. And I'm glad I'm back and I have you guys here, always rocking with me. Appreciate everything that you guys have done to contribute to making the TAW team community as vibrant as it is. Tonight we're just gonna go over what we have planned for the next couple of months and what we are and the new updates, the new changes that happen within TAW team, because I know that few people have like issue trying to find things because we have updated a lot of the interface. So what we're going to do tonight is go ahead and go over some of the features, right? Like some of the new screens that we have added and where to find specific things. And after that, we're going to talk a little bit about the TAW Team affiliate program that we have coming up, and then the agency program as well. So without further ado, you guys know the deal. I'm going to share my screen and we're going to go to Facebook. For any engagement, for any question, anything that you have, you can just go ahead and comment on this picture right here so we can get going. So let's go ahead, and if you have questions, just drop it here and we'll come back to it in just a minute. So let's go straight to TAW Theme. This is your dashboard. If you log into TAW Theme, this is your new dashboard. Before it was different. Now it's completely brand new and redesigned. And a couple of things comes up, right? So you see this is where you click this to install your plugin. If you're installing your website, not using TAWWP, if you're using TAWWP, you don't need this. Next thing you see, like your profile setup, your images added. See, I have my image here. You have your billing information, phone number, and email address. So this is the first top layer that you see here, and we are on a dashboard, obviously. And the next aspect is if you have any website subscription. We have the website subscription model that you don't have to get hosting, you don't have to get any of that. You can just get your, I have a message here. Nice. You can go ahead and pick any of, if you have a website subscription, you're gonna see your websites here. So you can click in to see your website, pretty much all the details. You go to your WordPress admin here, so on and so forth, and renew it if it expires, for instance. The next thing that you're gonna see is your content subscription section. Right now, I don't have an active subscription, but if I had an active subscription here, I would see this right here. You would see you haven't added any topic this month. But this is where, if you have a subscription, you just click here, you will be able to add a topic. You'll be able to request your article, your content subscription. You'll be able to request until your credits, your points are finalized. So that's the content section. And the next thing is project. Whatever project you have pending is going to be here as well. So you can access your pending project very instantaneously, very easily. Like this is a test project that I have here. I click on it, I get to see the complete, design, a new interface, nicely done with updates. All the recent images that like text is right here. Before it was the other way around. So let's go back to where we came from. Yeah, so that's the project section. And after that, we have the latest templates that we have added is here. And you get to pretty much see what's new on TAW Theme as far as template goes. If you look at the right side, you get to see this is the website subscription. If you want to learn more about it, you can just click on it and go learn more about it. I open it here. The web subscription give you more details, and you have the content subscription if you click the order thing as well. But before we get there, we're gonna go into that in details, maybe down the line. And after that, you have a video. I made this video to just walk you through what you're gonna be doing most of the time on TAW theme, which is creating getting a template, setting up your template. How you can first get the template. Number 2, set up your hosting. And number 3, install your template. And number 4, how to edit your template. Yep. So I went through this video, just gave you guys some insights on like the things that you'll be doing the most here. And we have the upcoming webinar section here that is here as well. All right, now we just started the webinar. So you see, we started the webinar, so you would see the upcoming webinars here listed down here. So this is your dashboard. And if you go to websites, this is where you're gonna see if you have purchased a template, it's gonna be here. If you have any website subscription, it's going to be here as well. So this is the websites that I have as far as subscription goes. And this is my templates, the templates that I've purchased. I can click here and see my details, my license key, right? My license key. If you bought a template and you need the license key, this is exactly where you can find it. You just click here and you will get to see the key. So this is the website section. Next thing is content planner. Content planner, this is where you get to pretty much all the content that you have requested. Either you have purchased the content that is already ready, or you are ordering some content. You are ordering some content with your content subscription plan. You will see all the content published on your content plan in your content planner here, and you can go ahead and proceed, publish, preview, edit, or download. You'll be able to do any of these stuff. And as you publish, you would have your publishing showed on your calendar as well. For instance, in December 2nd, I published this and that. So you get to see those as well. So besides that, yeah, that's pretty much all the articles that I have here. You get to see it. And if you want to filter your articles, you can pretty much filter it depending of the categories that you have. If you have a lot of article, obviously, and if you want to see the one you publish and the one you haven't published, you'll be able to select as well. As of now, I don't have any that is not published. So this is your content planner overall. You can see your active subscription here. And the next thing here is projects. Project, before we had it, I showed you guys, you get to see your project on the dashboard as well. But this is a specific, the project section, and you can add a new project here, right? This is add a new project. You get to choose the project type. You get to choose the project type and go ahead and start your project and enter some details. You can upload a file. If you want to upload a file for reference, you can do that as well. So this is your project section. And right after project, we're going to go to marketplace. Marketplace, you have 2 marketplaces, the content marketplace and the WordPress template marketplace. So let's go with the WordPress template marketplace. This is where you get to see all the templates that we have on TAW theme here, and you can pretty much go ahead and choose any. You just have to, you can preview it. Like for instance, click here to preview it, or you can just go ahead and add it to cart. If you add it to cart, you can go to checkout now, and you get to see what's in your cart right now. Right, so that's the marketplace for the website templates. And the next thing is content marketplace. And I see Renee, you are on the call. You was asking me this, and I was like, let me just go over it tonight and send you this video. But I'm glad you are here. You get to see it. So this is your content marketplace. If you have a subscription, an active subscription, you will see automatically here. It's now gonna say add to cart. You're gonna see buy now if you have a subscription, and you just have to click on it, and it would see, are you sure you want to buy this article? And you say yes, and you automatically check it out, and it goes to your content planner directly. So that's the options that you have if you have the subscription. If you don't have the subscription, you can just come and purchase it. Sometimes I have coupon code that would give you this for 20%, 30%, or 40%. You can always ask for the coupon in the TAW Team Facebook group. And if there's any available, somebody in the team will let you know. So you can go ahead and filter. You can search. Let's say I want something that is related to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin, I would see something related to Bitcoin here. Okay, so search. You can pretty much type a keyword here and search. I'm not sure. Maybe there is something here. I'm like, okay, let me see gold and see if it's gonna filter. Yeah, we're gonna make sure we activate the filter. Seems like it's not activated, but you can come here and search for a category. If you want crypto, you just click on crypto. You want digital marketing, you can click on digital marketing. You want gold, you can click on gold. You can pretty much see each and every single one of this, every single one of these ones, right? By categories. And this is pretty much everything on the content planner. Oh, another thing, you can preview the article. If you click on here, holding physical gold, physical gold and IRA. You know, this is like a preview of the article, so you can get to see a preview of what you're gonna read, what your article is gonna be, so you can automatically get a feel of it. You can click on preview and you get to see it. And the way content comes to TAW Team content is very specific, unique, because actually, let me go to the content planner so you can see how the content on TAW Team comes. The content on TAW Team comes like this. You can preview it. It comes with your main feature image, your title, the website, and the content is structured in a way that you get to see all the details, right? This is 10 digital marketing tools in 2022. You get to see all this written, all the specific tools that has been featured, right? And boom, nice with a conclusion. So you can see the full article once you purchase it, and it's already structured in a way. And well, actually, we didn't cover this. You can click on edit to edit. I did on one of the demos, one of the calls, walkthroughs that I added TAW Team Content Planner here, right? So you can go ahead and edit, add your links if you're doing linking, interlinking. You can link to anything here. And once you're done with everything, you just go ahead and save. After you save it, you just have to go back to Content Planner. And next thing you can do is you can decide to download this article as well. And if you download it, it saves you the article on a text format. It saves you the folder, the images that comes with the article. And you also get an Instagram featured post, picture post that you can also post on Instagram. And also a schema file. If you're a big schema guy that you want to integrate schema. The next thing is publishing. Publishing, we have the TAW Team Publisher, really outstanding, set up with integrated with your website already. As long as your website is on, you're using the TAW Team template, or you have the TAW Team feature plugin installed to your website, you'll be able to just put your website here, select the day and time you want it to be published, and you just click on Publish Now, and it will publish directly. If you want to publish it instantaneously, you don't need to add dates and stuff. But if you want to schedule it for later, that's where you can go ahead and publish it, pick a date and publish. That's one option. So besides that, we did the publish, we did the preview, we did the edit, and we did the download. So let's keep on moving. So we finished with marketplace as well. And this is your order section. Order section, you get to see pretty much everything that you have ordered. You can see your invoices and the specific stuff that you have ordered here as well. And next thing is support. Support, this is where you add tickets. And if you have tickets already, you can filter the one that is in process, the one that is completed, and the one that is open. And you can filter it through type of issues as well. So this is support, very, very interesting section. and we have tutorials. Tutorials, we are working on some new tutorials that we're gonna add here, and you get to pretty much see any tutorials related to website design, any tutorial that is related to content, writing, website content, any tutorials that is related to TAW WP hosting. So this is the sections here, and this is pretty much everything here, and you have a button here that takes you to support directly if you want to go to support. And there we go. And you have this mini chat here where you can automatically talk with someone. If you have a small question, not a support ticket, you can just, start the communication here, and it comes directly to the support team phone's notification, so you can get an answer right away if you have any specific thing that you are dealing with. And you have this up here, which is the WordPress hosting, TAW WP hosting. We have built TAW WP hosting in a way to really give TAW theme users an edge with a very fast and reliable hosting platform with a nice page speed, and also a community-driven hosting platform. You can get in touch with anybody from support and literally anytime. And we're not like the Bluehost of the world that you have to wait for like 24 hours or maybe more to get a reply from. So it's more in-house. You can comment on the Facebook group if you have any question about hosting, and myself or somebody in the team will answer it. So that's TAW WP hosting. You can use your same TAW theme login information to log in, and that's it. You get to see all the websites you have there as well. I think we have done enough demo of TAW WP hosting. If you just check our YouTube channel, you'll see it. And when the tutorial comes, we're gonna have more of those here as well. Next thing is subscription. Subscription, we have two subscription models, website subscription, so you can get us pretty much build everything on your website instantaneously, and then you'll just subscribe to a monthly fee. The next thing is the content subscription. Content subscription is you getting all your articles in autopilot on demand. You can request new articles, or you can go ahead and start and get the articles that are ready. You can get a subscription plan, and instead of buying articles for $99, you get 3 here for like $147, and you get 3 or 5 here for $199. You can do this anytime. So that's pretty much everything on the new TAW theme. If you have any question about the new TAW theme, let me know. Let me know in the chat, like right here. If you have any question, you can just drop it on YouTube here, on Facebook here. But if there is no question, we can continue. Let's say you have Renee here. I think we have to refresh. Thank you. Amazing. Renee, I think this really helps with pretty much you getting the articles as fast as possible. So if you have always any question, feel free to always comment in the group or use the chat or create a support ticket, and we'll make sure that you are good to go. So let's see any other question. Okay, let's see if there is any other question. If you have any question, feel free to drop it here in the chat. Feel free to drop it here in the chat. Amazing. So besides that, what's also coming is the TAW theme affiliate. TAW theme affiliate, we are launching that very soon. And the idea is to pretty much give you the opportunities to be able to create. The replay is going to be available by the end of the day tomorrow. As soon as I'm done with it, I will do the rendering, and just once finish rendering, I will upload it on YouTube and pretty much send out the link through an email, and also post it here in the group. Good question, Cedric. So what's coming is that I was talking about the TAW team affiliate program. We're going to be able to get, like, for instance, TAW WP hosting. We are having the hosting. The affiliate commission, the affiliate plan, and you'll be able to offer the yearly hosting plan and pretty much make 50% commission on every single one of the plans that you sell. So it's something really exciting. I want to give an opportunity and a way to every single one of you guys that use TAW team, really enjoying to be able to make something also out of it by recommending your friends, people in your community, people in your groups, other groups that want to build a website or get hosting to be able to leverage as well. So you're gonna have a nice commission affiliate program with TAW team here, hosting here, and you're also gonna have an affiliate program for the subscriptions that we have, like content subscription and website subscription as well. There's going to be amazing programs. And oh, am I sharing my screen still? Yes, thank God. So we're gonna be able to see that as well. If you're commenting on the chat on a GoToWebinar, just comment on the Facebook, because I don't look at this often. So because I get distracted every time that I'm here on the GoToWebinar. So just comment on the Facebook group, because if I answer it, anybody that have that question as well would be able to see the question on the call on the Facebook, and they can refer back to the webinar and watch the replay to get an answer. It helps a lot. And yes, so we was talking about all the different things you're going to be able to promote as an affiliate and get a great commission off of it. Another thing is the TAW team agency. The TAW team agency is coming up. I'm built right now. It's like a lot of recording, a lot of the sequence is being built. And let me just show you guys a preview of what it is that you are going to see. So we have the previous one. We already have like 100 plus people reserved for the previous one that we have last year, and this one is the new one. You can pretty much see the inside. See the outline here. Let's go look at the outline. This is pretty much the outline. This is the outline of the complete program, complete website design agency. And I see Cedric on the call. Also, Cedric is already, an agency member and will get access to this course as well. And as soon as we finish this, we're gonna start bringing the new people. It's like seven chapters, from chapter 1. Let me just go over it quickly. Chapter 1 is we're going in depth on the TAW team features. Chapter 2, it's website design agency powered by TAW team, how you create a business name, choosing a business names, business address, phone number, agency website, yada yada, a lot of stuff. One of my favorite thing that I'm going to talk to you guys about on this program is your personal business profile setup, which is very interesting, and I'm excited to go through that with you guys as well. Another thing, chapter 3, which is one of the important things, which is prospecting, psychology, prospecting mindset, yada yada yada. And fulfillment is number 4, chapter 4. I don't want to go through everything, give you all the sauce, but I know there is a good amount of people here, and all of you guys are people that I have spoken to individually, and I'm really comfortable with all of you guys. So if you are not in the agency yet, just be patient. We're gonna release it soon, and you're gonna have the chance to enroll and be able to pretty much have TAW team as your backend, fulfilling your website design services. You can offer that to any friend, any business in your local area, or yes, any friend, any coworker that is thinking about starting a business. So you start like that until you grow up your agency to a potentially six-figure a year website design agency. So that's the plan. That's what's next. Also, we are committed. My commitment is to finish it completely by the end of this month. So in March we can release it and give you guys the opportunity to join. So I think we covered mostly everything in like 30 minutes. My goal was to make this call at at most 45 minutes. 45 minutes. I'm trying to keep it as short as possible because I was watching some of our videos. Some of the calls that we had is like 2 hours, and I know it's a long day. Some of you guys have worked all day and now trying to take it in, relax and enjoy your time with your family. So I'm gonna make this calls as short as possible, 45 minutes, like at most 1 hour. So I think we covered pretty much we covered everything we came here to do. We went over the TAW Team new interface, we went over the TAW Team agency program, and we talked a little bit about the affiliate program. So the affiliate program is going to be also ready sometime this month, and as soon as it's ready as well, you will be updated. So make sure that you always show up on the webinars because we're going to be doing a lot of interesting stuff throughout the rest of the year, throughout the rest of the first quarter, getting into the second quarter with some exciting stuff. So if you have any question, feel free to drop it down here and we can tackle it. Or if anybody wants to come on live on the camera and ask me a question, just let me know. I would bring you on live so you can ask your question face to face with me here, any type of question, so we can have a nice conversation. And yeah, let's see who wants to come on live. If you want to come on live and ask a question, just say me and I will add you. I'll bring you up live. I will bring you up live. Good overview. Nice. Amazing, Cedric. If you have any question, let me know. And anybody, if you want to come on a live call with me, also you can do that. Ask me any question. This is one of the unique times that I'm here, like one-on-one basis. We have a really nice amount of people in here, so there's no questions that you feel like nobody would have asked it. Every question is a very important question, and I would give every question a good amount of commitment to a great answer. So feel free, don't feel like shy or anything. Just come, ask your question, join live, and we can, you can ask any question you want. So let's see, let's give it a minute. If you have a question, do not hesitate. Come, ask me any question, even if you want to ask me about Miami. Yeah. So let's see, we are 8:33. Wow, we knocked this out in 33 minutes. That's amazing. So let's see, let me open Facebook. If any question came in. I think there is no question. That means that we have done a great job, a great, incredible job. Again, thank you guys for joining. We'll be back again next Thursday. And next Thursday, we will start, breaking down some of the new features and how to do specific things on TAW Team with those features, how to leverage it. Next week, we're going to work on, next week, Thursday, we're going to talk about ChatGPT and how you can use ChatGPT to build out your website with TAW Team. ChatGPT, TAW Team, that's it. You don't need much else. You can build websites like you can flip websites like hotcakes. So thank you all for joining. Take care of yourself. Enjoy the rest of your night. And I see you guys in the next call next Thursday. Bye-bye. Take care.